Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will walk you through the trade which I have executed and also the trade I could not execute it today as expected. Okay, let's start with Nifty 50 first. Yes, if you look at Nifty 50, as we keep on discussing past 2 days or more, right? So this gap is there. This gap filling has to happen, which is 25,670 to 25,770 levels, around 100 points. So this gap needs to be filled first. So after that, only we can say whether the Nifty is going to break this level and surge forward to hit the all-time high. The all-time high was, as we know, it is around 26,300 levels. Okay, so we have to wait and watch unless we could not able to say how the Nifty 50 is going to perform in forthcoming days. Okay, so if it corrects, then the very next level would be the first one is 25,300 levels. Okay, then 25,200 levels. So these two levels are crucial. Okay, and below that you can see this red line, right? This is nothing but a 20 EMA. So this would be the critical support line, I would say. Let me draw the horizontal line for you. Okay, the level would be around like 25,100 levels. So if it breaks this level, then definitely I won't be holding the bullish view. Definitely there will be a further correction. We may expect Nifty 50 will break 25,000 levels, and it may fall up to 24,700 or 800 levels. Okay, that anyways we have to wait and watch. Unless it breaks this level, we cannot comment anything further. So we have to wait and watch. Otherwise Nifty 50 is kind of an consolidating, we can say, as of now. Okay, with that said, let's move on to our stock analysis. First come first, which is a railtel. Yesterday when we were discussing about the trade analysis of the railtel, I was telling you like I'm holding this stock because I took position on yesterday and I plan to sell it off on today, right? So what happened today? Let me move on to 5 minutes chart candle. Okay, so uh, this candle you are seeing it, right? This is today's candle, 9:15 and 9:20. My aim was to set the level, the target level to the prior high. Prior day's high was around like 433, 444. Yeah, 434 levels. Okay, I set my GTD order target to 432, 33.5 levels. Okay, let me minimize this. So this green candles closure. Okay, so 433.5 levels I set it. Then I was waiting for first 5 or 10 minutes. I had an opportunity around like 9:25, the next third candle after the market opening. It came up to 430.6. Okay, 430.5 level, but it's a fraction of a second it got corrected. Okay, this correction is due to market correction. Today Nifty 50 was kind of slowly it was correcting. Okay, it's kind of consolidation mode, so slowly it got corrected, and it's not only railtel but also many other stocks. Okay, especially mid cap and small cap sectors, you can see the correction has happened. Exception would be there are a few stocks like one is rallies, and yeah, there are a couple of other stocks during my analysis I saw they were kind of surging in the upward direction. Okay, so otherwise most of the stocks were in a correction mode only. So back to our point here. So I missed the opportunity. I would say I missed the opportunity. Otherwise, if I booked my profit around 430.5 levels, definitely I would have made close to 1.3 or 1.4 percentage profit, because we bought the stock at 424.5. Yeah, definitely would have made 1.25 or 1.3 percentage. I missed the opportunity, and then the stock started correcting, and I could not find any opportunity today to sell off this stock. Rather, I plan to buy some more stocks to average it when it comes to this level, 416.5. Okay, because nothing is wrong with the stock as it is, because the stock is really good. Even this one I have discussed yesterday. Okay, so you can see nothing's wrong with the stock. It is kind of consolidating. Okay, after the good news. So the good news was the quarter four result news. So it is kind of still consolidating, I would say. We have to wait and watch. And one small good thing is like it was trading above this 20 EMA, the red line you're seeing it, right? This red line, if you see it. So it is trading above, even though it broke that level, then it has recovered. It's trading above the level, but it is just a mere profit booking or a consolidation in sync with Nifty 50. Okay, so we have to wait and watch how the price action is going to behave on tomorrow. But if I get an opportunity based on the price action, if it is quite correcting, I won't take any position. If it is kind of showing some reversal, if the market is neutral, then definitely I will hope, I mean, I will get some opportunity either to agree, accumulate it by averaging it, or otherwise straight away if it shows some reversal, then I will try to sell it off. Okay, That's my plan, and this is the stock I could not execute today as planned today. The second stock is IPL. So this stock we are trading past few days. Yeah, we have pretty much discussed about this stock. If you remember, even in our weekly analysis, not in weekly analysis, on daily trade analysis, we have discussed it is forming a rounding bottom pattern and it is kind of consolidating here. So when it breaks this level, okay, let me draw the level for you. Okay, let's draw the horizontal line. So you can see I'm trying to connect this highs. Okay, the swing highs, this one and this one. Okay, let me maximize it for your clear understanding. Yeah, these two single highs. So the stock is kind of finding it as a resistance. So earlier times also you can see it faced this resistance and it got corrected again. It faced the resistance. Then the correction has happened. Okay, so this correction is not because of only this stock. This correction happened as we know last year, September, end of September and October. The FIs were keep on selling. So this correction is common for all the stocks, almost all the stocks we can say. So now after the surge and consolidation, then it is trying to give a breakout, but it is not happening. Okay, so because of a given market scenario, the stock is kind of struggling, so it is not able to break it. Okay, and if you see the stock, this would be the next resistance support level. Okay, let me explain you. So this the recent times you can see a couple of weeks back it was trying to break this level. It didn't. Then there was a small correction, then it came up with a huge green candles, then it broke this level. Now it is facing the resistance. So now we can say it is trading in this channel, this one and this one. Okay, so if it breaks this channel, then definitely, as we discussed already, it the next resistance would be this level. Let me draw that for you. Yeah, around like a 247. Okay, this level. Okay, so right now the stock is trading at the 220 levels, and it faces a resistance around the 230 levels. There will be around like close to 8% is there once it breaks this resistance. So I'm just keep on trading this stock whenever I find an opportunity at the lower level, and I'm trying to sell it off whenever it shows some reversal. Okay. So today what happened? Let me move on to 5 minutes chart frame. Okay. So when market opened, it really surged. You can see if the surge, it straight closed around 225 level, and today it made a high around 231.5 levels. Okay, so here itself 3% for sure. Yeah. Close to 3%, then it started correcting. So like rail till here also the third 5 minutes candle onwards, the stock started correcting. Then I found an opportunity to buy the stock, and I bought the stock around 222.5. So this was the level I bought. Okay, when I bought, I was kind of skeptical. Why I bought this stock at this price level is it's very simple. You can see prior swing highs. So this is the swing high, prior swing highs, right? Yeah, you can see the black line, right? So these were the prior swing highs. So when the stock has surged, breaking, giving the breakout, and it traded, then again it started consolidating. Here also you can see, right? So there was a huge weeks. That is a different story, but this is kind of a place it is getting what do you say, rejected. Okay, from there it is kind of a reversal, otherwise it further corrects. Okay, this is kind of a channel. Okay, so this channel, if it breaks this channel down, right, then you can see some more correction. Okay, again it may come to this support level 217. It goes on based on the swing lows, but here you can see it because it has a potential actually. Now also we saw that in a day wise chart it is trying to break that resistance, right? So when it try to break the resistance, it won't happen just like that because it's kind of a monthly kind of resistance, right? So it will take some kind of a consolidation, then suddenly one day it will give a breakout. Okay, technically I'm talking about. So now after I bought the stock, it corrected further around like a half a percentage. Yeah, half a percentage or more even. Then it started showing some reversal. So when it started showing reversal, I wanted to book 1% profit. Okay, 1.1 or 1.2. So I set my level to 225 levels. Okay, precisely to 24.9, because to ensure the execution is happening. Okay, I reduced to zero point 0.1 paisa, so it become from 225 to 224.9. Then because of this what do you say, the continuous buy or transactions, right, the the trigger has happened, the partial amount of stock has got triggered for me. Okay, close to half of the quantity has got triggered to the same price level, to 1.2 percentage. Then again the stock started correcting. Okay, so I'm still holding the half of the quantity, otherwise it is a partial transaction has happened. So tomorrow also I'm gonna wait and watch how the stock is going to behave. Otherwise, the stock is pretty much trading in this zone. Okay, it's a huge zone. I would say like from 220 to 232 levels. Okay, around like a 5% level, it is trading. So I felt like it is kind of a good buy it whenever the stock comes to this level. Buy at this level and wait for some what do you say time. Then if you get an opportunity, sell it off. Okay, and this strategy is not for buy recommendation or sell recommendation. I'm just sharing my personal view of what the trade I have executed or executing. Okay, so anything can happen. If the tomorrow the market is not really good, if this nifty 50 opens gap down, then definitely the stock will also fall. Okay, it will break the support level, then again it will fall to the next level, at least say 2% I'm expecting if there is a fall. Otherwise definitely I'm expecting in my personal what do you say opinion, like it would surge up to like a 1.5 to 2 percentage. Okay, based on the statistics here. So yeah, we have to trade a level after level. Okay, so you cannot take any random trades unless you know what is price action, and you should know how to take a trade based on the technical indicators and price action, and you also know how to manage the risk if the trade goes against your target. Okay, so many things are there. It is not as simple as it is what I'm explaining here. So some learning is really required. So I would always suggest you guys learn first, then plan to take a trade after doing your own analysis. Okay, this is only for educational purpose for sure. Okay, that's pretty much about today's stock analysis. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, drop me a comment. Otherwise, see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.